Hello guys. In this video, we will explain how to contact the Instagram support team to solve all the problems you face on Instagram. The method is very simple, just from your Instagram settings. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before moving on to the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Let us begin the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your Instagram account. After that, click on the profile icon. Then you will find 3 small lines above here. Click on them. After that, my friend, go down and search for the word help. Click on help. After that, my friend, click on report a problem. Here, you go down and you will find report a problem. Click on it. After that, my friend, click here. Here, my friend, you write your problem and describe it with all the details. Here, in the photo box, you can take a screenshot of the problem and upload it from here, or take a video screenshot and upload it from here. It is better to upload at least a screenshot or a screenshot of the problem so that your problem can be understood and answered and solved. After that, my friend, click here on send and your problem will be sent and you will be answered within 48 hours.